I went down a rabbit hole recently and I have to show you what I found.
I need to spill some tea.
Good morning.
What is up?
I'm an AI influencer.
I'm an AI influencer.
I'm an AI influencer or whatever.
You've probably seen them before. AI-generated creators on Instagram, TikTok, these personas that have like 200,000 followers. They're posting content constantly, building fan bases. And at some point I started wondering, okay, but where's the actual money coming from? Like the audience is real, the engagement's real, but what's the business model behind this? Because going viral is one thing and monetizing is a completely different conversation. So I started doing some digging, and what I found is this platform called Fanvue. And the way that it's being used right now by AI creators is genuinely interesting. Not in a hype way, but in a, is this a real business structure that makes sense way? So that's what this video is. I'm going to show you how this actually works, what the platform looks like under the hood, and why I think the AI faceless creator model is one of the most underrated income plays for businesses right now. Let's get into it. So here's the thing that clicked for me when I was researching this. Most creator monetization is totally dependent on you, your face, your time, your energy. You make content and the algorithm either picks it up or it doesn't. And your income is tied directly to how consistently you can show up. The AI creator model breaks up that dependency. What people are doing is building a persona, a character essentially, that has a consistent aesthetic, a consistent voice, and a niche. And then they're using AI tools to generate content at scale for that persona, not for them. And then there's the platform question. Where do you actually send people to convert that audience into income? That's where Fanvue comes in. It's a creator monetization platform, it's subscription-based, and fans pay to access exclusive content from the creator that they're following. And Fanvue has built a specific layer of AI tooling on top of that to help creators, real or AI, manage engagement, automate parts of the workflow, and actually make the business sustainable. What I want to do is walk you through what this looks like in practice. Okay, so first thing, getting started on Fanvue is pretty low friction. You create an account, you set up your creator profile, and this is where the faceless creator setup gets interesting. Your profile is basically the storefront for your persona. You're setting a display name, a bio, a profile image, and if you're doing the AI creator route, none of this has to be you. This is going to be the persona. Now, the thing that I want to point out here is the Creator Academy. Fanvue built this specifically for people who are new to this. If you've never monetized an audience before and you've never built a subscription business, the Creator Academy walks you through it. It's not just here's the platform, have fun exploring. It's here's the actual strategy for how to get your first subscribers, how to price your tiers, and what content cadence to think about. That matters because the number one failure for creator businesses isn't the content, it's not knowing how to convert attention into revenue. So the Academy is trying to solve that. I spent some time in here and it's actually solid. It covers the stuff that would have taken me weeks of trial and error to figure out on my own. Okay, so the actual money mechanics. Fanvue is subscription-based, which is the right model for this. You set up tiers, which is basically different price points, different levels of access. A free tier or a lower price tier gets your subscribers in the door. Higher tiers get more exclusive content, more direct access, and this is so important for the AI creator model, specifically because you can systemize what each tier receives. Tier 1 gets the regular content drops. Tier 2 gets whatever you decided is premium for this persona. It becomes a content delivery system that you can actually build workflows around. And one thing that I noticed, you can set this up as reoccurring monthly subscriptions, which means that you're building actual recurring revenue. So you're not banking off of one-off sales, you're not hoping the video hits. For a builder mindset, that's the right architecture. You build it once, you optimize the funnel, and the system runs itself. Okay, so this is the part that I want to spend a little bit of time on because this is what makes Fanvue different from just any other subscription platform. Fanvue has leaned hard into the AI tooling for creator operations. And the most interesting piece of this for the faceless creator model is how it handles fan engagement. One of the harder problems with building a fan base, especially at scale, is that fans want to feel like there's a real relationship. They want responses, they want to feel seen, and if you're running a faceless AI persona, you can't be manually responding to every message. Fanvue's AI messaging tools are built in to handle this. They're automated, personalized messages to fans that actually feel like they're coming from the creator persona. That's what makes a faceless operation sustainable at scale. You're not dependent on someone sitting there and sending DMs. And I want to be clear, this isn't about deceiving anybody. Fans of AI creators know what they're subscribing to. It's a persona, it's a character. This is the same thing that people do with branded characters, with virtual influencers. It's just the tooling now that makes it accessible to individual builders instead of just big media companies. The other thing I want to show you is the analytics side of this. Because if you're treating this like a business, which you should be, you need to know what's actually driving revenue, what content is converting subscribers, what's driving churn, which tiers people are landing on. Fanvue's dashboard gives you this. You can see the subscriber growth over time, earnings per period, how individual content pieces are performing. For the builder people watching this, this is where you treat it like a product. You A/B test content, you look at what tier has the best retention, you optimize. The AI creator thing isn't just set and forget, it's a system that you iterate on just like anything else. And having the data to do that inside the platform matters. You're not flying blind. Okay, so this model isn't for everyone. If you're trying to build your personal brand, if you're trying to be the face of your content, this isn't the move for you. But if you're a builder, someone who thinks in systems, or someone who wants to build something that runs without you being front and center, the AI creator model is genuinely helpful. And Fanvue is the clearest infrastructure I've found for actually monetizing it. There's low barrier to entry, no audience required to get started, the Creator Academy literally exists to bring you from zero, and the AI tooling means that you're not stuck doing manual fan engagement at scale. The model is build a persona, drive the content, drive the audience to Fanvue, and let the subscription infrastructure do its thing. It's not passive income in the fantasy sense. There's work involved, building the persona, creating the content, managing the system, but it's a business model with actual recurring revenue mechanics, which is more than most creator plays can say. If you want to explore it, the link will be in the description below. Fanvue's Creator Academy is a great place to start, even if you're just trying to understand the model before you commit to anything. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to see more videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to the MakerThrive channel. I'll see y'all in the next one.